Okay guys, morning, and today we try to climb with the guest star
Hello
from
from Japan.
Japan. Hak Rina,
Yes.
Rina, 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 and we are start from here at 8:13, and this the track. You see the track, and here we are here. And here see, and we make a tent in shelter too.
Yeah.
Let's go. Kerinci Seblat National Park. Kerinci Seblat National Park. You ready for today?
Yay.
We go to jungle.
Go to
Yeah. Ganbate. Oh, it's good. We take break here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. A moment. We can take a break here. In post station. Okay. We arrive in first.
This one?
Yeah, pos Bangku Panjang.
Already.
Yeah, we are already here. Okay, we in shelter 2. One, Batu Lumut. Yes. Okay, we here now on Bush Panorama or post 3. Okay, and this one. Yeah. And post 3,
Oh, three.
the elevation is 2,225 meter at the sea level. Thank you, Wang. Okay, hi. We arrive. Seven in this area. Seven. Go up. This. And our friend Raffi, say hi. Nice. From Jakarta. Very sleepy. Yeah, Setewan. Okay. How you feel? We arrive here.
Yeah, that's great.
Ini baru turun juga nih bawaannya.
Tetap
Bawaannya yang keren tuh di belakang. Walaupun nggak bisa nggak bisa membersihkan, tidak menambahkan ya bang. Bagaimana bang?
meninggalkan apapun
Kata-katanya bang.
Renji. Say, okay.
Okay, and track like this. see it. With the track. Oh, yeah, like this. Yeah, it's a little bit hard. It's not easy. You need more power. And look at that. Look what he now. Are you okay? He still can't do. Lucky. And he's always enjoy the journey and enjoy with the track. Awesome. Move it this way. Yes. That's a hike. And finally, we hike. Arrive. And how you feel now? Yeah. Station again. Set and our camp area behind this. We go down and any camping area. You can move. You can keep moving. Yes. Yeah. What do you think about the trek?
It's hard. Oh, this trick.
Oh,
Unbelievable.
yes.
It's like a climbing.
You can be like a Spider-Man. Yeah. We start from Sector 2 going up Sector 3 and let's see what happened with the trek. Ah, oh my. Finally, that's the tree. Let me go. Yeah. Shoo, 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 shoo. And behind this. Gimana bro? We arrive here in campsite area. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Finally, this is here now, and this. Let's make it at the end. How about the view? You can see it. like this. It's still cloudy and afternoon. Okay, let's make it any. Waiting for sunrise. And Rina feelings not good today. This morning we have a headlands and I say it's here. Don't give up. What he says, no. He says, knock until Santa. Okay, we try climb to the top step by step. And akirami nai de. Siguyuda. Almost we arrived in Siguyuda and here. And of course Seven Mountain Lake and still a good weather and wind and yeah, it's a bit cloudy on the top and yeah, I think so far so good. Almost. Rina still walking step by step and yeah, she's need a more little bit Yeah, yeah.
So sad.
What?
I think this is harder than Rinjani. Yeah, but I did it. I came to the summit.
And finally we did it. Okay, where is it? Ooh. How you feel now?
I'm a winner.
Yeah, you're the winner. And step by step, the rooftop of Sumatra. Yeah, that is it. Okay, see you on the next trips, maybe with the different stories.